way through the awards. I'm joking, we're creeping towards the end and they're getting bigger and bigger. Next up is Most Wanted Game, in which you say no to the games you can already play and salivate instead over what's to come. To present this award, well, here's Sean Murray from Hello Games.
Hello. I previously had the honor and privilege on working on a Most Wanted game myself. As some of you may know, that game, of course, was Need for Speed Most Wanted. Now, Need for Speed Most Wanted, ironically, never won a Most Wanted Game Award. But to me and to many others, I think it was arguably the most wanted game of all. And now for the nominees for other games with the title of Most Wanted somewhere in their name. The nominees are
Animal Crossing: New Horizons, Cyberpunk 2077, Disintegration, Doom Eternal, Dying Light 2, Elden Ring, Final Fantasy VII Remake, Halo Infinite, Hytale, Marvel's Avengers, The Last of Us Part 2, Watch Dogs Legion.
But which game does the public want most of all?
the winner of Most Wanted game is Cyberpunk Most Wanted.
Please welcome Holly Bennett from CD Projekt Red to the stage.
Hi. So on behalf of the teams in Warsaw, Krakow, Wrocław in Poland, and team in Vancouver, Canada, there's a lot of people behind this game. I wanted to thank everybody who voted for us. I can't express how humbling it is to, every time fans, players show that kind of appreciation, that kind of expectation. And speaking of that, this is less of an award, but more of an indication of great expectations that players have for this game, and we have every intention to live up to them. So give us a little bit more time, and come next year, we want to rock your world. Thank you.
So, to our next award, and you might have heard the expression, everyone's a critic before. Well, that's not true. Only these people are, and that's why they get their own award to hand out. Let's hear what the critics had to say for this year's Critics' Choice Award.
Fair warning.